In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix MW3 voice chat not working on Xbox problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The first solution is to adjust our microphone. First, we will adjust it in the Xbox settings. Before we do that, we make sure that our headset is connected to Xbox. The first thing we need to do is to toggle the headset mic on. To do this, we press the guide and click on audio and music. Then, we toggle the headset mic on and set mic monitoring to 100. After that, we click on parties and chats, and if we are in a party, we leave it. The last thing we need to do is to set party chat output to headset and speakers. To do this, we go to Profile and System and open Settings. After that, we click on Volume and Audio Output. Then click Additional Options on the right side and set party chat output to headset and speakers. We are done with Xbox settings. Now, we will adjust our in-game microphone settings. To do this, press the menu button and go to Settings. Then click on Audio. After that, we set the audio mix to headphones. Then we go to Volumes and press the X button. After that, we make sure that the voice chat volume is high. Then we toggle on voice chat and set the game voice channel to all lobby. We also toggle on last word voice chat and proximity chat. After that, we set mute yourself when connecting to channel to off. And finally, we set the microphone level to 100. We have done everything we need to do in game. Now, we can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to clear persistent storage and alternate MAC address. To clear persistent storage, press Guide button and open Settings. Go to Devices and Connections and click on Blu-ray. Then click Persistent Storage and then click Clear Persistent Storage. After doing this, we go back to Settings and click on Network Settings from General section. Then click on Advanced Settings and then click on Alternate MAC address. Finally, click Clear and restart our console. After restarting your console, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.